Ever felt a weird mix of amazement and anxiety about AI? One minute, you're using it to plan a perfect vacation. The next, you're seeing a deep fake that's a little too real. It asks the big question on everyone's mind. Is all this artificial intelligence actually making our lives better, or is it secretly bumming us out? Let's get into it. On one hand, AI is a total game changer for mental wellness. There are AI-powered therapy apps that offer support 24/7, helping people manage anxiety or just have someone to talk to when human therapists are out of reach or too expensive. It can personalize our fitness plans, suggest healthy recipes, and even curate playlists that boost our mood. That sounds pretty great, right? A personal wellness coach in our pocket. But there's a flip side, and it's a bit of a downer. Think about social media. The AI algorithms are designed to keep us scrolling, feeding us content that often shows an unrealistic, picture-perfect version of life. This can lead to a gnarly cycle of social comparison where we feel like our own lives don't measure up. We start chasing likes and validation from an algorithm, not from genuine human connection. It's easy to feel more isolated than ever, even when we're supposedly more connected. Plus, the constant stream of information, some of it AI-generated and not always accurate, can be overwhelming. The pressure to keep up, the fear of missing out, and the worry about AI taking over jobs can all pile on, adding to our stress and anxiety. It's like our brains are running on overdrive, trying to process it all. So, what's the secret to not letting AI drag you down? It's all about balance and building healthy digital habits. We need to be the boss of our tech, not the other way around. Try setting boundaries, like having tech-free time before bed or during meals. Make a conscious effort to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with the real one. Go for a walk, meet up with a friend for coffee, or pick up a hobby that doesn't involve a screen. It's about using AI as a tool to enhance our lives, not letting it become our life. We can leverage it to learn new skills or streamline our work, freeing up more time for things that genuinely make us happy. The key is to stay mindful and intentional about how and why we use it. Ultimately, AI is neither a hero nor a villain in our mental health story. It's a powerful tool, and its impact, whether it brings us joy or despair, depends on how we choose to wield it. Let's be smart about it, prioritize our well-being, and build a future where technology supports our happiness, not detracts from it. What do you think? Has AI had a positive or negative effect on your mental health? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.